Nature's harmony. Inspiring moments of peace and motivation. In a world filled with chaos and noise, it is easy to lose sight of nature's beauty and tranquility. From the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind to the symphony of birdsong at dawn, nature has a way of bringing peace and harmony to our lives. In this article, we will explore the ways in which nature inspires moments of peace and motivation, and how we can tap into its harmonious energy to find solace and strength in our daily lives. The beauty of nature's symphony. One of the most enchanting aspects of nature is its ability to create a symphony of sounds that soothe the soul and uplift the spirit. The chirping of crickets on a warm summer night, the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the melodious trill of a songbird. These are all part of nature's harmonious orchestra that can transport us to a place of peace and serenity. When we take the time to listen to nature's symphony, we are reminded of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us, and our troubles seem to melt away in its soothing melodies. Finding peace in nature's silence. While nature's sounds can be a source of comfort and joy, there is also a profound sense of peace to be found in its silence. The stillness of a forest at dawn, the hush of a snow-covered landscape, the quiet lapping of waves on the shore. These moments of silence in nature offer a respite from the noise and busyness of everyday life. When we embrace nature's silence, we can find a deep sense of inner calm and clarity that allows us to connect with our true selves and find peace in the present moment. Nature's rhythms and cycles. Nature operates in a series of rhythms and cycles that are both predictable and awe-inspiring. From the changing seasons to the ebb and flow of tides, nature's cycles remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of balance and harmony. When we observe nature's rhythms, we can learn valuable lessons about patience, resilience, and adaptability. Qualities that can help us navigate life's challenges with grace and strength. The healing power of nature's beauty. Nature has long been recognized for its healing properties, both physical and emotional. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels, improve mood, and boost overall well-being. Whether it is taking a walk in the woods, practicing yoga by a tranquil lake, or simply sitting under a tree and breathing in the fresh air, nature has a way of rejuvenating our bodies and minds. When we immerse ourselves in nature's beauty, we can find solace and healing in its tranquil embrace. Conclusion. Nature's harmony is a gift that offers us moments of peace, inspiration, and motivation in a world filled with chaos and noise. From its symphony of sounds to its cycles of rhythm and beauty, nature has a way of bringing solace and strength to our lives. As we strive to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations, let us also take time to appreciate its wonders and draw inspiration from its harmonious energy. Let us find peace in nature's silence, strength in its resilience, and creativity in its beauty. In embracing nature's harmony, we can find moments of peace and motivation that will guide us on our journey toward a brighter future filled with beauty and tranquility.